Ready to unlock the secrets of seamless crypto trading on Gemini? First, head to Gemini.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account and complete the verification process. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Gemini dashboard. Take a quick look at your account balance to ensure you have the crypto you want to trade with. Now, navigate to the trading interface. You can usually find this by clicking on the trade button, typically located in the top navigation bar. Next, select the crypto pair you want to trade. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, select the ETH/BTC pair. Gemini offers a wide range of trading pairs. Choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price. Simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to spend, and the platform will calculate the estimated Ethereum you'll receive. Alternatively, use a limit order to specify the exact price you're willing to buy or sell at. Enter the amount of Bitcoin and the desired Ethereum price. Keep in mind, this order will only execute if the market reaches your specified price. Take a moment to analyze the order book. This shows you the current buy and sell orders, giving you a sense of the market's current sentiment and potential price fluctuations. Review your order carefully on the confirmation screen. Make sure all the details are correct, including the trading pair, order type, and amount. Pay close attention to the estimated fees as well. Finally, confirm your trade. Once executed, you'll receive a confirmation message. Your new crypto balance will be reflected in your account. Happy trading!